is, Frazier and I got together and did this book, and you're looking at a C-, D+ English student back in the day in high school and college, okay? And the only reason I got a D+ and C- is because I was a good kid, the teachers liked me, and I happened to be a pretty good baseball player back in the day, all right? So those purely are sympathy grades, all right? So moving on, the reason behind the Green Zone Project, I think there's a huge void, you guys, because we all get distracted with different things, but I think there's a massive void when it comes to LOs and having a rock-solid plan in place of how you're gonna go out there and succeed, right? You have to have a plan in place, okay? My first mentor told me, DC, if you don't have a plan in place, you're never gonna make it. And he was absolutely right. So what I wanted to do, it was my time to give back, because I want to give my 20 years of everything that I've done, and along with my boy Frazier, I wanted to put it into a book where it's literally an LO playbook that I've done for my 20 years, that we could put everything in a book and literally hand it to an LO. We were talking last night, right? By the way, if you ask a question, you're going to get a book. But have everything there that all you guys have to do, right? There's so many bells and whistles. Don't be on 10 webinars a week. You're going to get distracted. You're going to end up doing nothing, right? Take this playbook, right? The Green Zone Project. If you don't ask a question, I think it's a whopping $9 on Amazon by Frazier. Yeah. We got to change that, dude. $9, come on, man. So it's not about making money on the book. It's about being in life, having a life abundance, that even if all you LOs were in Kansas City, I would give you this book and tell you exactly what to do.